My name is Afarin Khapozian, and I am a grad student under the supervision of Dr. Magdans.
My name is Sarah Sparks. I'm in my first year of my master's degree in systems design engineering, and I'm being supervised by Dr. Veronica Magdans.
Hi, my name is Veronica Magdans. I'm assistant professor in systems design engineering, and my research is in biomedical engineering.
My research is on magnetically actuated microrobots for applications in the urinary tract. So I'm developing an actuation system using permanent magnets and basically creating a rotating magnetic field to drive some small-scale robots, which are drug-loaded, for, as I said, applications in the urinary tract. So for maybe treatments of kidney stones and other applications.
My research focuses on the fabrication of biocompatible 3D printed microscrews for blood clot removal. So essentially this is just a microhelical structure that can be navigated through the blood vessels of the body using a magnetic, external magnetic system. The microscrews can remove the blood clots through mechanical action and also through the local delivery of drugs.
It quite fascinates me because it is very much application oriented, and I get to work on such an interdisciplinary project, which includes mechanical engineering, robotics, mechatronics, and a little bit of also biomedical engineering.
I find this research very interesting because I think it's very new and novel, and I think it could really help people in the future.